Hello everybody. Today we're going to be looking at quest, aka finishing the quest that kind of started last time. Hope everyone's been doing well. Let's get cracking and let's see where we were with it. Take a look at it. Okay. Right, so there's a few things that I need to get. I believe Adam gave me a background for my quest. So let's see if we can get this in. Save file quickly. This is boom. Right. So let's find where the quest log menu was. So data, so inventory, scenes and menus. Could have a quest here. We have the 9 patch wrecked. Let's add in the resource that we got. Okay. Remember how to do 9 patch wrecked. And we have to set some values here, I believe, for the outside margins. Ooh, 5 pixels. Okay. 3, 3, 3. 10, 10, 10. Ah, that's nice actually. But usually these are designed for a certain size. Oh no, patch margin, that's not it, right? 5, 5, 5, 5. Oh my god. Really wrong. Snap mode. Pixels. Right, let's do that. I think it is patch margin, right? 20, 20, 20. Quick look. If in doubt, do a little Google. 9 patch wrecked, also known as the 9 slice, produces clean panels based on any small texture size. What are the variables?
I walked into the room and then I saw your face. You looked me in the eye and then I wanted to erase myself.
I was only 51 seconds, that's good. Texture. Oh, so it is patch margin, okay. That's easy. Let's see, 20, 20, 20, 20. Why does it make it bigger? I don't want it to be bigger than it should be. Yo, Adam. I'll do 444. Is that what it is? Ugh. Ooh, that's looking perfect actually. Look at the the color's just a little bit lighter than the path as well. That's actually the perfect color. Damn, thank you very much for that. Where am I? Right, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, I need to change the title a little bit just to fit it in with this, but this is looking kind of nosy. Try that maybe. I think I could change the colour to black. How you been doing, Adam? What have you been up to recently? Make the E-box a child of 9 patch wrecked. Oh, okay. Let's try that then. Should be okay either way. Ooh, okay. We just need to mess with the margins a little bit. That's okay. That's fine. I wonder if the text is a little bit too. Because you want the V-box to scale in the center of the rect for sizing. Yeah, I think we should be okay. We just need a little margin in it. That's all, like a 5-pixel margin maybe. And same for when we add. Oh, we need to just check something actually. 150 needs to be 40. Okay, nice. We just need a oh.
You took a step forward and tilted your head with a curious glance. You stared.
Oh, almost.
Oh my god, I think
I don't really like the font too much. I don't know if it's because it's a little bit small and it's not displaying properly, or maybe I just don't like the font, but it's a little bit font is a little bit blocky. I guess it's kind of what we want, but it's a little bit too blocky for my liking. Everything needs to be 140 now because we want 5 pixels on either side. Penny has a couple different free text fonts. Oh, nice, yeah. Might be worth having a little smooch around and seeing what there is. I think this font that I'm using is probably like the first day of doing this. I downloaded the font and I've just used the exact same font in every single thing. Okay, we need a little bit more of a padding. Maybe 35. If this was it Kenny free fonts. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think that'll be worth doing actually, because I think if you had like a font for the title maybe, and then font for like the buttons, I think that'll make it look a lot better. It's like a very easy way of making it look a lot better. God. Oh, I thought we'd see if this works still. God. I feel like this was working before. Let me take this out again. I feel like we had this resizing, or did we not bother resizing it? Okay, no, that's just
I take a breath for victory. Wanna play tag swagger, wave your white flag, 'cause you'll never touch me.
Any game.
King of
Let me check them out.
all in. It's not a sin to wanna win.
This is them, isn't it?
Can't see me flying like a
Oh, I have seen this a little bit, yeah.
homie, me on my team.
Assets. I don't know if I... Oh, that's cute, isn't it? 16 by 16 as well, nice. Oh, I think I've got his icon pack. Is it his icon pack? Oh, I got his fish pack. Oh, the world's worst fishing minigame. Oh, you got his fonts as well. Nice, okay. Ooh, go. Which of them?
I'm better off not listening. I've got my own song to sing, flying like a bee, black and yellow.
Okay. Right, okay. Sweaty moment over. It's all CCO, free to use and edit. Nice. How you been anyway, Adam? What you been up to? How's your game coming along? Saw the thing that you posted in the Discord. Looking good? Bloody thing isn't guys. All wrecked.
I refuse to fail, so heed this cautionary tale. You've got dragons, my little friend. You'll conquer them in
Can I add a margin container here? And like set the margin to 5 pixels. I feel like that's what the margin container should do. Container gives me a margin. I've been doing some school stuff the last bit, trying to finish up the semester early at the moment. Oh damn, graduated with my 3rd degree, damn. What a collection. You're getting a collection of degrees, are you? Anchors. All wrecked. That looks fine. The problem is, look at the orange boxes. Let me get rid of the margin container. I want this to resize. I want it to, you know, size downwards. This is... Look, I'm gonna freak out as well. Yeah. What degree are you doing, Adam? Damn, your 3rd degree. That's it kind of resizes a little bit. Oh, okay, nice. Doing an AES software development. Oh, is that what you're? Is that we're doing a lot of the C# and stuff? A bachelor's in early child education and a bachelor's in business management. Oh, damn. Okay. Time's only ticking until you make some software for a child education business. All wrecked. Size. All wrecked. At this point, I might as well just make it fixed. Let's just make it a fixed size. I'm bored of I'm bored of trying to get this thing responsive. I tried and I failed. Come back from China, I didn't want to teach in America, so I just went back to school so I could feed off the world. Okay. That's about older, I'm heading back to work next year. Okay. Yo, is that D Snake? I don't know if I'm saying your name correctly. Welcome, man. But I think we're all learning Godot. Every time I think I know something, I don't. So, oh my god, this song is obscene. Make a grid. At this point, Adam, I'm so sick of looking at this UI. I think we spent 2 hours on this UI. I'm gonna make it fixed, and then I want to try and get the quest working. Change VBox to Gridbox and just have one. Is that not the same thing? I thought VBox should be what I want, basically. But something's playing up with them. 50. I think maybe that's a good size. Ooh. Okay. That's strange. It does seem to resize to a certain amount, actually. Delete that. Delete that one. Okay, let's see if we pull it. Okay, let's make it like 30. Because the orange box is within the arts. Ah, and that looks. I reckon I should make it a little bit transparent. The orange box. Do you mean what's that, 30. Great textures. I did not make this texture. Adam made this texture. But no, I didn't make any of these sprites. Last time, D-Snake, we made this with the AI. I don't know if you saw that, but we made this farmer with an AI pixel art thingy. The carrots and the animals, I had a friend to do that. They don't walk very naturally, do they? But there's no collision on that thingy. But yeah, the sprites are these trees and stuff. They're all a pack called Mystic Woods on itch.io. I think the link might actually be in the description to that, D-Snake, or at least maybe the itch.io there. Let's see, can we make this texture a little bit transparent? Or do I need to do something fancy? Modulate? Is that possible? Modulate it. The whole thing. I don't want to do this. I don't want to make this transparent. That's a shame, it makes everything transparent. I don't want that. I just want the texture to be transparent. I think maybe if I save it, I can do something. To be honest, I'm surprised how well the palette of the sprite fits with the pack. You mean the AI palette or the texture that you gave me? Right. Cool. So we've got that. Let's have a little look. We've got some fonts now. Create new folder. Fonts. Yeah, please, if you could. I don't know how transparent it needs to be. Maybe if you can export one that's like 50% to 75% or something, that'd be nice. Well, I don't know. We'll have a little look. Appreciate that, bro. Oh, also, if people don't know, the Godot 4.2 stable is out today. So, check that out. I was already using the beta, but yeah, I'm on the stable now. Hello. Where are my fonts? Where's Kenny's fonts? It's because they're a zip file. Un moment. Right, we should have the fonts in here. Left the border full and the interior transparent, nice. Yeah, we'll have a little look, see how it goes. It's definitely a lot better than the purple black gradient thing I created. Nice, awesome, thank you very much, man. Right, I've got these fonts as well, so we can have a little look at the fonts. See how they come out. I feel like I should have some sort of like a system of when I use what fonts and when. Like, if it's a button, we should have this font. If it's like a title, we should have this font. Maybe we should have a font for like titles, and then a font for this. Right, so let's have a little look. So we have Kenny Blocks. Let's try Kenny Blocks. Oh, okay. Oh, like that one. Nope. 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 Kenny Mini. Oh, that's kind of okay. That one's quite simple. Kenny Pixel. No, doesn't like that. Rocket Square. Kenny Mini. That looks okay. Got any information on these fonts? Because I know they have to be a certain... Like that one. Yo, D-Snake, you can. You have to pay for it, unfortunately. I don't think there's any way around that. Unless you make your own. But I can link you to let me just find my own chat. That's the one that I use, D-Snake. I can just show you actually. Pixel AI. I'll show you quickly actually. Oh god. Maybe. Maybe I shouldn't have showed you that. It's okay. Let's pretend that never happened. Okay, so this is what you could do, and this is all in A Sprite. I don't know if you're familiar with A Sprite. It's essentially a pixel art editing software, and you can, if you give the AI something like this, it can generate this. We were actually playing around with this last stream. I made the farmer. It's not very good. So I started with this, and then it generated that. After a little while of playing around with it, I also generated a bunch of trees. So I started with this tree, and these were the different trees that the AI generated. And so it's really a useful tool. But apparently, if you want to add your game on Steam, you're not supposed to use AI-generated art. So bear that in mind if you are planning to become a professional software developer. You might have to fight Steam, which I'll support you. Ooh, Kenny Mini Square Mono. Quite like that. Let's add one of these. Oh no, we don't need to have these. Like that. Oh, do you like it, Adam? I forgot which one it was now. Kenny Mini Square Mono, was it? Fonts. Normal font. Kenny Mini Square Mono. Boom. Oh, that's a lot clearer. Especially at this font size, this is a lot clearer. Oh, it's a tiny bit small. Maybe that's okay. Maybe it's the color that's a bit weird. Maybe it's the white that's a little bit weird, but... Seems a little bit small side as well. 5. As an outline. Is there an easy way to add an outline? We can make it maybe bold. Theme overrides. Obviously, this is black, so it's not go. Oh, okay. Outlines though. Oh, whoa, Jesus. Shadow. Outlines a little bit too much there. Yeah, the problem with outlines, because the font's so small. Font outline color, constants, outline size. Oh, okay. Oh, maybe that's looking okay. Ooh. Change it. okay. Bad. Because this has an outline now, I don't really like that one, but maybe we can add an outline to that. What have we got? We've got constants. We need outline size 1. Oh, maybe that's okay. We do a little mix match. Yeah, that worked out as well. That worked out a little bit better than I thought it would. Right, let's see if okay, cool. You've got the is it? It keeps opening my files on different windows. New 2, thank you. And then we've got new 3, nice. Thank you very much. Right. New assets in, guys. New assets in. Hot off the press. Just need to let's try this. So new 2. Oh, this is okay. Where's new 3? Add a new 3. View. That's it. Resource. Yeah, I'm just adding new 3. Should be here now. Oh, sorry, I hit the mic. Oh. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if having the border not transparent is a little bit weird. Let me try new 3. Have a look. Oh, okay. I think maybe we need the border transparent as well. I think that's definitely an improvement, because before it was blocking. Not perfect, but before it was blocking a lot of the thing. No, it's all good. Thank you very much. I appreciate the Right, okay. So got some new like US GDP there. Let's make this a little bit. I can make this font a little bit bigger as well. That should be okay. It doesn't like that. God damn it. Very hard to tell. 10, nope, like that. 9, nope, didn't like that. 12, no, didn't like 12. What is it? It only likes 8? Okay, looks like it's gonna be 8. Okay. Right, now we need to figure out what we're doing. So last stream, we ended on the farmer. We need to add some dialogue for the farmer. Oh god, this is where we have to actually write dialogue and make quests. New home, fisherman, red book portal. We need to create a new dialogue thing now. Dialogue, new home. Let's just do farmer. How do you spell Sanders? Okay. Oh, the player doesn't have a name. Yo, Alteca, how you doing, bro? Guys, we need a player name. I don't know if we should let people choose a name or if we should call, or if we should decide their name for them. Let's just call it ... for now. How you doing, Alteca? We're currently in the process of making our first quest. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, we do have some resources floating around for it. Like we have a quest, some basic kind of stuff, but yeah, we're still kind of playing around with it a little bit right now. Right, if anybody has some good dialogue, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna put some basic stuff in. Hi, howdy, hello. How do hillbillies talk? Yep. Yep. Hi, howdy, hello. Have you seen my chicken? Start chick magnet. Yes. No. Well, you can fuck off then. You can you can clear off then. I don't know how well this dialogue not going to hell. I don't know how this dialogue's gonna look. So start again. Miss end. I just do that. Let's see how this looks. Hick. Hello, have you seen my chickens? Let's see how this works. Goddamn. I need to add the dialogue to this guy. Assets. Entities. Farmer. I should have a dialogue component I could drag onto the farmer. Up. I need to give him his dialogue. Okay. And then what happens to the dialogue component? The dialogue components. Okay. I think I need to change how this dialogue component works. Oh, nice, awesome, boom. Add that in now. Boom. Dankeschön. Okay, so I made this dialogue component a long time ago. So dialogue component. Export var dialogue. What's going on here? I made this a long time ago when okay, so the dialogue component does have an area 2D. Dialogue, start dialogue. Oh, okay. Right, okay. Yeah, I've done the dialogue component kind of wrong. Need to add a collision node. That's dialogue components, and then in this fraction, if dialogue components don't equal null, well, yeah, this is the incorrect. Start dialogue. Use get tree, get root, dot size to get window size. What's that for, Alteca? Use tree, get root, size to get window size. That's something you just saw. Layer, so if interactable is a vendor, how do you do an else if? That's something I've just not even. Else if interactable is dialogue. Okay. Elif. Can you do elif? Elif for shorthand. If elif else. Ah, it's like bash. If interactable is dialogue component, oh cool, it even goes up. Okay. Wait. Okay, 1 second. Change this. Change this to area 2D. And your is small window var. You try to go from projects. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, 1 second. I copied and pasted that from the example, but yeah, we'll have a look at that in a sec. I was wondering why it wasn't working correctly. Give me 1 minute. Let me just try and get this. Oh, is it really just... Can't be that simple, can it? Oh my god. Not chick magnet. No. Well, if you're not going to... If you're going to H, you can clear off then. Damn, actually kind of work. On your is Windows small var. Let's have a look. It was in here, right? Get tree, don't get root size. So we'll do bar windows size. I guess it's a vector 2, right? Equals so what do you say? Get tree dot get root dot size dot x. Be an int, sorry. Could be an int. Yep. So you saying this is what we need to do? Apparently the dialogue was wrong as well. Oh, it's not going to help. Don't need the end there actually, because we already end. Stream delay configured? Really? I can double check. It should be. I don't think I set anything big. Let me look.
I think it's going forever.
I don't believe I have they set. I think with YouTube, they... Okay, we're in tarnations. We're in I can't... I'm a little bit uncultured when it comes to American hillbillies, so you guys might have to guide me a little bit. I can't remember where the stream settings were. I just remember on YouTube you have like 3 settings, and it's like you either have like a delay or no, like a fast one or ultra fast, where the quality might not be good. But I think I'm just on the normal default settings. Right, let's. So, hick. Should I keep in the hick or shall I do a? How do you? Oh, he's not even going to say. Where in tarnation? Where in tarnation are them chickens? Do this to myself. Do this to myself. Okay, there's like a 3-second delay. I'll take a. It might just be me being slow. It might just be me being slow. I'm sorry. Start check magnet. Yes, and then we need to do. Then we can call some code here. This is gonna be do 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 do. I need to add a thingy. So the farmer, he is complaining about a collision shape. Let's add that so it stops complaining. Yes. We need to add the context component. Well, I'll be. You say, well, I'll be damned. That is saying damned a curse word. If I say damn, is that a curse word? Pretty you can edit the color variables when you start having multiple debugging going. Sorry. Oh no, I thought you said, well, I'll be. Is that a term? Well, I'll be. Well, I'll be. I thought you say, well, I'll be damned. Have you seen we just do this, right? Well, I'll be. There's. Let's just do 3. Okay. Well, I'll be. There's 3 of them. Okay, cool. And then if we do the quest, we'll just quickly add your thing into the quest. Well, to make it look nice and pretty. Boom. Let's find where you give it to me. Okay. A little bit, not opaque one yet. Round these here parts. That, okay. Yeah, that does sound like it. Good. And these here parts. Let's see how that looks. Because how transparent because of the dark grey background that is solid. Ah, okay. Heck, where in tarnation are them chickens? Have you seen them? Well, I'll be. There's 3 of them scattered around these here parts. Help the farmer collect his chickens. Oh, he's not Mr. Cactus Jack. He's Major Sanders. Sorry. Well, if you're not going to help, you can clear off then. Oh, he actually does need a collision area as well. We don't walk through him. Nice. Okay. Cool. Context component, dialogue component. It's right. Okay. Right, let's have a look at dialogue. So it's hick. He goes hick. I don't know if he's supposed to go hick, but that makes him sound like an alcoholic. But maybe let's remove the hick. Out of character for Major Sanders. Where in tarnation are them chickens? Have you seen them? Well, I'll be. There's 3 of them scattered around here, scattered around these here parts. No. Well, if you ain't gone, well, if you ain't gonna help around here, okay, around here. Wow, he's getting harder and harder. Go on, get. This is go on get. Well, I'll be. There's 3 of them. Get around here, these pods. Help the farmer collect his chickens. Okay. Let's go into the quest and change the quest to be Cactus Jack, Major Sanders. But hopefully this doesn't ruin the UI. Well, I'll be. What? got a you change the overlay of thingy. This. ISO. Interact area, hitbox, interactable sprite. Change the. He also needs a. I wonder if I have, you know, like in WoW, where you have like a little exclamation mark over his head. I wonder if I have that line around somewhere. I've got so many assets, I feel like I should have it. A coin. Got a key. No, I don't have that. Without them chickens, I feel lower down ankle bracelet on a flat footed hit me. But this is a cultural experience, a cultural learning experience. Do I have an exclamation mark anywhere? Oh, we can make like a scroll. Do like a scroll over his head. That might work. Let's go to the farmer. Add a sprite. Goddamn chickens. Talking to chickens, I feel a little hungry. Boy, losing my chickens makes me feel like a coyote done ate me and shit me off on the offside of the cliff. Hey, Cletus. Cletus. It's a little bit big. Fetus, the fetus, lovely gal. 0.5, 0.5. And we can do some cool thing, like say if the quest is not started, display the quest symbol. Oh my god, it's all coming together. Let's hope the rest of it is also simple. I need to sort out the whole of the folder structure. Everything is crazy right now. I get so lost where I am. So, I'm looking for the farmer, which is here. NPCs, farmer, I need to add it. Oh, put it on him. I need to attach your scripts. Physics process. I don't need physics. We don't need physics in this game. Process. This is not you. Oh. Floats. Has everyone downloaded Godot 4.2 yet? Anything new that anyone's spotted? Ooh. If then I have. What's my singleton called? I did make a singleton, didn't I? Project settings. Autoload quest journal. If quest journal dots. Did I have anything in the quest journal? Singletons, quest journal. Start quest. Get quests. Oh, do I need an array? Maybe it's worth having, should I have the the list of quests as a map and then have the key, the name of the quest. I think that might be a good idea. Rather than having an array, we can have it as a map. So I don't have to loop through each time. Let's try that. I think that'd be more fun. I think that'd be better. It's very rare we have to loop over. I do dictionary. You can assign a key. Can I declare the key value pair? Like in Go or any, you know, like you do like a string, you can do like a quest. Is that possible? Is it a bit too? Is it too Pythony? You can assign a theme to the project. What do you mean? That's like that sounds cool. Like a, you just mean like a theme to Godot in general. Dictionary, define types. I'm coming from TypeScript. I wonder what is the best way to define so dictionary types. Oh, I would have to do something like this. Gotta name them chickens too. Cluck Norris, Colonel Featherbottom, Agatha, and Dixie Chick. Adam, can you type all this? Can you just make a note of all make a note of all these good ideas, please? Can we define dictionaries are by definition typeless? Okay. So we do a dictionary. Yo, Tejas, I remember. Love to India from the UK, man. Hope you're okay, bro. Hope you're doing good. So we could do so what we don't want to do is we can just do this. So let's initialize the dictionary here, and then can we just do quests dot? Ooh, yes. Okay, here we are. So get quests. Big magnet dot quest name equals and we want to we don't want to return anything here. We'll just load it. We're okay not finding this. So what's it saying? I don't know. Chick magnet is not defined. Okay, of course it's not. Cool. Start quest. But we don't even need to do this. We don't need to loop over this anymore because we have it in a map. So we just need to do if I guess we just check quests. Quest name. Oh, I don't know how. I'm not. Quest.has. Quest name. Cool. Get quests. Oh, damn! We do need it in an array. So one of the problems with a map, I'm guessing this is the same in Godot, is that a map is unordered. Is that a problem right now? Maybe that's not a problem right now. But a map is unordered, so every time you loop through it, it might be different ordering, which I think is actually okay. I think we're okay with that right now. Can I do... If quest.has, just let's see what. Go dictionary. So we have dictionary key. We create some dictionaries. We initialize it. Initialize it again. Okay. Check is always passed by reference. Get a copy of the dictionary. Duplicate. Erasing items while iterating is not supported. Okay. So I guess when we call get, returns the corresponding value of the key. If key does not exist, returns default or null. Okay. West. Nice. Okay. Is there any way to quickly convert a dictionary to an array? Is there like a nice helper function to do that? To array or something? Guessing not, right? Dictionary to array. Maybe we don't need to do this, but for key value in, I do this. Guess I can't do that either. Okay. Ooh. Boom! There is quest.values. That's what we want. Returns an array of values. Nice. You can do a loop to iterate on your dictionary. Okay. We can loop over the dictionary as well. Seems easily enough. Right. No quest has the type. Okay. Wait. So. Oh, we just want to load quests. So what is it that I wanted to do now? Journal dot get quest. Start quest. I'm gonna need a bunch of helper functions here. Shh. I think we can just shorthand this. Return quests. Quests, quest name dot is started. Turn false. Okay. So we have a function called is quest started. If our dictionary has the quest, we return if it's started. Otherwise, we just return false. Farmer here. If question dot is quest started, I guess we're just gonna have to do chick magnet. We'll hard code it for now. Const. Let's make it a variable. Not the best way, but then we want to do his sprites. Rename this quest icon. So, quest icon. Quest sprites. Let's rename it to quest sprite. sprite. Type. Sprites. Right, so if the quest is started, quest 7 up is better. Ha ha ha. Oh, okay. I didn't get it at first, but then I get it. I thought it was like a weird like Mario reference. So if the quest is started, yeah, we want to quest sprite dot visible. Okay, boom. Okay, so start quest. So all we need to do now is we need to hook up the dialogue to the dialogue manager. We need to hook up the dialogue to start the quest when we accept it. So go. Let's have a little look what the guy's saying. This dialogue manager is really cool. This guy's put a lot of work into this. You can tell. He has like a very cool theme. Like jealous of that actually. But he has a good. He's put a lot of work into this. So shout out to dialogue manager Nathan Ode, I believe it is. And there should be somewhere here to do. Okay, so you can do this. Do some global.animate. So when we start the quest, we need to, in the dialogue, when we accept it, we need to do quest journal dot start quest. Maybe we could just do this. Chick magnet. Trying to return a type of array where expected type is array quest. Yeah, you're right. Come on. I think it could do better there. It could at least like panic at runtime. Right. Oh my god, he's there. That's a terrible quest icon, but okay. Where in tarnation are them? Why did I go to Irish? Where in tarnation are them chickens? Have you seen them? Well, I'll be damned. There's 3 of them scattered round these here parts. Help the farmer collect his chickens. Yes. The quest should have been started. But it has not been. Yo, thank you, Tayas. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name, by the way. I should be starting this quest right now. Well, I'll be. There's 3 of them scattered around these here parts. Help chicken collect his chickens. Yes. And then that should start the quest. Let's have a look. Help the farmer collect his chickens. Yes. Do quest journal. Start quest. Chick magnet. Quest journal. Start quest. Chick magnet. If the quest has quest name, we want to do quests. Quest name is started. Okay, quest see if you have the steps on the quest for stage. Yes, I should do, and also because on the farmer, I should, if the quest is started, we should set the little icon to we'll debug it in a second. What's this? So this is a sprite 2D. And for iterated quests, there's no static type. That? Quest. Yeah, I should keep doing that hide. Yeah, do that actually. That's a lot better. Much better. Right. So we can debug it. Let's put breakpoint in. No. Let's see if we even hit the. Let's see if we even hit the breakpoint. Also, guys, remember to press like on the stream if you like the stream. Join the Discord. Subscribe. Eat healthily. Drink plenty of water. Will I be? There's three of them. There's three of them scattered around these here parts. Help the farmer collect his chickens. Yes. Okay, so we hit it. We've hit this. The quest name is indeed Chick Magnet. Let's see. We've got a dictionary size 1 with this, which is Chick Magnet. Oh, it's because it's capitalized. God damn it. The quest name is capitalized. There's a cool new update in 4.x where you can color code files in File Manager. I found it cool. Oh, nice. Is that helpful? Oh, it might be helpful actually. If I make like all the resources red, that'll be actually very helpful. Set folder color. Okay. Boom. Let's do it. Where's resources? Resources. Set folder color to red. Boom. Nice. Okay. Data is blue. Dialogue is great. Inventory, data, collectibles, assets. This is actually very helpful. Assets can be well, cheers for the heads up with that. I like that. Now we need an Irish farmer where we find his potatoes. I'm not good at an American hillbilly accent. Yeah, I can do Irish a little bit. Boom, baby, boom. Look at that. That's actually so helpful because I always lose where I am. So if they're color coded, it's a lot easier to see. It's a lot easier to see where I am. Okay, so there's something. So the issue that we have right now is that I'm using the quest name as the key to find the quest, but it's capitalized. So I need to add like an ID, a quest ID, rather than a quest name. So if I go to quests here, to have a quest name, we also need like a quest ID, I guess. So the quest ID for this is going to be Chick Magnet, lowercase with an underscore. God, that siren sounded like it was actually outside. So quest ID that I need to in the singletons. Need to use the quest ID as the key, not the quest name. Everything needs to be quest ID. So we only reference it by the ID. The name is just like a pretty name to. What if there is a database function like quest ID, primary key, auto increment? Well, I'm using the ID as a string right now, but that would be cool. Like I know in Go we have like iota, which will automatically increment it for each one. I think having the quest ID as a string is easier for me because we can kind of remember like Chick Magnet underscore. If it was like 30, we'd be like, oh, which quest was 30 again? Which quest was like quest number 27? At least if we have like the ID here, we can remember it with just like a simple name. So this should work. Watch this. Don't even need. Well, I'll be. There's three. Well, I'll be. There's three of them. Scan around here. This here parts. Help the farmer collect his chickens. Yeah. Got a break point. That's good. Gotta carry on. Okay. Boom. So that's good. So the quest marker's gone. So something's changed. The text is still the same though. Speak to Major Sanders. That might be because I'm not updating the description. We've gone to this. Let's just set the color. Data yellow. Folder color yellow. That folder color. This is gonna be helpful for when we refactor a little. We can kind of see, oh, all the yellow things should probably be the same. And then here we have like a UI. So this is UI, this is UI, this is UI. So we can make them like orange. It's too much. Purple. Purple. Maybe it's a little bit too much. So the text is not updating. That would be in here. Okay. So funk ready. There'll be quest item here. Set quest. Okay. We don't need to do this. We need to do process. We want to update this. Process. I think we basically just want this in process. We just want this to update on every frame rather than once. That. Okay. We do need some form of a set quest. All this is going to do is just do quest equals a private variable var quest equals quest. If no quest, quest. My tarnations, them chickens. Have you seen them? Well, I'll be. There's three of them. Scattered around these here parts. Say no. Yep, cool. The work. Seen them? Well, I'll be. There's three of them. Scattered around here. These parts. Help farm collects chickens. Yes. Okay. Number of chickens found. State.chickens found. Okay. Now we're on to the next problem. Right. That's good. We are. Now we need to catch the goddamn chickens. Finally. First things first is we need to make the chickens faster. Try at 150. Right. So, few things that I want to change here. So the flea area is quite big. I want to make the flea area a little bit smaller so you can kind of get closer to the chicken, but they run away further. But I've got to be careful because... Okay, that's easy. Too easy to catch the chicken. Okay, damn, the chicken's actually fast. That's actually kind of annoying. Oh my god. Okay. Right. So, now what we need to do we need to catch the chicken. What's the best way of doing that? Do I have an interactable thing? Interactable. Let's think about this a little bit. We need to catch the chickens. What do we need to do? We need to make the chickens interactable so that if you're within a certain distance, and the distance has to be small, so it's basically like if you're right next to the chicken, you can catch it. We then need to make the chicken an item that the chicken, when you interact with it, you can pick up the chicken. It goes into your inventory, and then we need to be able to. We have to make it so that we can trade the chicken to Cactus Jack. We also need to change his dialogue. That if you have started the quest, and we need to update the labels, stuff like that. I think we can worry about that a little bit later on. And we also need to change his dialogue so that if you've started the quest, he doesn't keep asking you. He knows that. Are you saying at a smaller area and instead of signal, the YouTube chat, it has these little emojis on. Oh god. YouTube chat has this like little emoji icon that keeps getting in the way of what people are saying. Are you saying at a smaller area instead of signal, it hides them and creates an item icon? Yeah, exactly. So when we interact with them, we want to make the chicken disappear and then add it as an inventory item. So you have the 3 chickens in your inventory. Specifically these chickens as well. Not these ones. These ones don't count. Only the chickens here that are going wild. And then we need to trade the farmer the chickens. Or maybe we don't need to trade them. We can just, if we have them in the inventory, that counts. That might be a bit easier. Yeah. So, let's add the thing into the chicken first. So, we've got the chicken. I guess... Okay. Let's go to animals, then chicken. So the first things first, we need to set export var is quest chicken, because not all chickens are going to be the quest chicken. So we need to have an exported variable so we can click yes for the quest chicken. We need to add an area 2D. And we call it quest. Quest node. Quest chicken. Quest chicken area. could make this a component, but I'm not sure how it's going to look right now. Oh, we don't want an area 2D. You want a collision? Collision? Want a collision shape? Circle. I think I need to think a little bit about how interactions work in general, because there's a little bit of do this and show everybody what I'm... Okay, so the problem is this is my interact area, and it's a big circle. The problem is it's fixed, and I might want... So if this was in the quest right now, I would be able to pick up the chicken here before it even runs away, which is not that fun. I want to be forced to be right next to the chicken. So I need to really rethink about how interactions work in terms of in terms of this. We can add like an interaction area on the chicken and then check if the player is within it. That might be okay. That's maybe what we'll have to do. Or we might have to have a smarter solution on how we kind of handle interacting with things. New interaction collider called Collect. Yeah, we could do that. That'll be one way, yeah. Essentially just having a separate way of handling in this instance, I think is okay. But I think there might be a better way of doing it in general. So one of the things is, if I go to the actual town, bit of a trek, I'm sorry. But another issue that I was thinking of is that, say for example these traders, if I'm here, I can speak to the trader. And that's, just brute force it now and save it for the Joe. Yeah, or we just do the simplest thing first. We'll do the simplest thing first, and then we can expand on it. But another issue that I know of is, say for example here, I can speak to the trader. Ideally, I would want an area like just in front, so that when I'm here, I speak to him. And if I'm here, it doesn't work. And so like you can have different areas. Same for like a chest. Say for example we have a chest, or this thing here. Because of how this interaction area works, if I was here, I'd be able to interact with it. I don't want that. What I want is an area basically in front of it, that when I'm in it, I can interact with that. But for that, I'd have to kind of rejig a little bit how everything works right now. Which is okay, but yeah, it's something to really think about. Remember those Mark 2Ds? Yeah. You can do this with an area 2D, right? So you can, like, the farmer can have an area 2D in front of him, or anywhere, and then it would just mean that when you're stepped in it, that's when you can. Brief was it now? You remember those Mark 2Ds? What if you create a Mark 2D and label up, down, left, right, and make collisions smaller? Yeah. Well, this is what I've got with the attack right here. You're making an array based upon the direction you are from it. Yeah, you could do. That's what I've got for the attack. Actually, you see these 4 boxes. But what was the issue? Oh, so maybe one issue is you might not always be next to the thing. So say, for example, with the traders, it kind of works, but Oh, that kind of does work, actually. I was just thinking maybe sometimes there might be a scenario where the interact box is far away from the person. So, say for example, what would be an example? Well, same here. Oh no, I think he'll be okay. But I think ideally, I'd kind of want like an interact area for each thing. I'm not sure yet. But this circle definitely has its problems, but it's by. I wonder if you could add an area in the actual animation. Yeah, I believe you can. So I think that's actually one of the properties of that's what people do, is because for an animation you'll have a swing, a hit, and then a backswing. And so you don't want the collision when you press it. You might want it like halfway through the animation, trigger the collision, halfway through, trigger the collision, and then pull back. So I think people use either an animation tree or an animation player could do that. So, yeah, let's just do it. Let's do it the most disgustingly simple, stupid way possible, which is we have another area. We add. We just make it happen, right? Area 2D. We'll add a collision. Let's do. God, it's kind of hard to see where this guy is anymore, isn't it? I think we want it to be super close. We could go like oh, actually, we already have that. It's called, with the interact area, we actually already have like a pickup area. Interact area. Nope. Nope. Hitbox area. No. Oh my god. Hard to see anything anymore. Collect area. Oh my god. We have a collect area already. Maybe that's good enough. So in the collect area, so let's do for interactable in, or for collectible in collect area. If collectible is best quest chicken, we want to do collectible dot and collect. If collectible dot is collect, do everything. so coughed on the mic. Yeah, it's a good shout, that is. So let's do. The problem is the colours all change each other. So let's do colour collisions. Problem is they all seem to fight with each other. Down. Good shout, that is. Boom. Left. Ability. Boom, boom. The interact area. Oh no, is that a debug area? Should I be using the debug area for this rather? The debug area, so interact area can be white, left attack. Let's do this. This could be red. Okay, this is better, isn't it? Probably do the same color for each one. Up. That. Yo. Okay. So let's just see where we are. So if collectible is quest chicken. The same equals quest chicken. Cool. Quest chicken. If collectible dot can collect, let's just do is quest chicken. So if it's quest chicken, we need to add a chicken to the inventory. We need to collect the chicken and add right, let's do this. So do you want to be able to get all 3 chickens at once? Yeah, get all. The idea was you can collect all 3 chickens at one time. So funk. Let's do collect. We could do a ball. If is quest. If not, is quest chicken. It's not quest chicken. So false. Otherwise, return true. And we also want Q3. We want to poof the chicken. Hopefully that does not. Hopefully Q3 doesn't stop it from returning that return false. Hopefully when we Q3 that doesn't mess with that. So, what did I name that function? I named it collect. This is a kind of like a weird, not a weird bug, but it's like a basic bug. I'm on the chicken one here, and maybe it's because I'm using the third-party extension. I click player and it doesn't go to player. Yo, Kamikaze, how you doing, bro? We're making some mad quests right now. Maybe you could add a UI element that takes a texture of quest item, and for that creates a texture rect label to present how much material. I know when I'm gaming I prefer UI overlays. Maybe add a UI element that takes the texture of a quest item, for that create a texture label to represent how much. Oh, so you mean like in the description, it can show like a little chicken head. So, if the collectible.collect, what we want to do is we want to do inventory dot. Oh, we need to check if insert. We want to create an inventory item. So quest data have texture and quantity like item. Okay. I wanted to make a game back in the day called Poop Quest. Is this another Millie idea, is it? If time length of quest depending on how long the poop will. Nice. Nice, yeah. Just as your poop gets longer, so does the game. I like that. Then when you create a quest, and set texture to an image, and then when the quest calls the quest, it takes that texture. Yeah, I think we could do something like that quite easily. I say easy. When I say easy, I just mean, you know, 2 hours of coding it really badly. But I think we can do that. A 5-min quest on the go. 30-min quest. Pooping at work. 1 hour plus, I'm going to die on the toilet. Oh, nice. Pooping at work. I like that, yeah. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, it's a good idea, actually. So let's just think where we are. So if the collectible is questioning, we should probably test that. We should probably test that what we've got so far works. Oh, we don't want to pass, actually. Okay. Why, can I just do pass? Identify a collect area. Okay, we don't have collect area. To create an item and all that would be longer. Yeah. That's the thing, isn't it? It's like you code it in, but you got to create the item. Create the item, put it all in. Let's see if we can Okay. Geez, you see, I've named all these wrong. God. To do. Fix. Fic name. Yeah, Kamikaze, it's gonna be interesting because we've done quite a bit. I don't know when you last watched, but everything seems to be every single time we do this, we get further and further and further. It's really kind of interesting how things slowly just start to evolve. Come on, especially in this type area 2D. Okay, if collectible has method. Okay, let's do. It's not like Vampire Survivors yet. Start get overlapping. Okay, this is getting janky. It's getting a little bit janky, but let's see if we're at where. This is not. I'll show you right now what we've got. You're gonna be amazed. Oh, we've got loads of circles everywhere. That's not. That doesn't help. Okay. Right. So I don't know what the last thing you saw was, Kamikaze, but we added trading now, where you got gold and you can trade items. Maybe you saw that. We added a chicken fleeing, and maybe you saw that. And then, oh, we've added a current quest. Maybe you saw that. I don't know. And then last time, I think it was Tuesday. We were doing some like AI generated assets. This farmer was created by AI, and the animation was also created by AI. I literally did it on stream. Like we were all on talking about on Tuesday. You want bottle of water? Bottle of water. So on Tuesday, mate. We generated all this with AI. And the animation with AI. I've got some trees from AI. Like, it was fun. I'll crack it open in a second if you want. It's Tuesday, isn't it, mate? And now we have a quest. He goes, where in tarnation are them chickens? Have you seen them? Well, there's 3 of them scattered around here these parts. Help the farmer collect his chickens? Yes. Now we need to catch the chicken. We get the fucking... Oh no, I need to set the chicken so we can catch it. No, we catch this fucking chicken. Yeah, the farmer pixel art was done by AI. Thank you, Kamikaze. It's been a big learning experience for me about learning about hillbilly farmers. Well, that was the intention, was to make it a hillbilly farmer. So we need to go into my giant scene, and we need to set these chickens to be... I've got a lot of chickens all hard-coded in here. Was this chicken? That's to say, did you use a sprite to draw it, or how did you tell the AI to draw it? So if you, I can just show you now if you want, but it was the previous live stream on Tuesday, innit? It was, I can't remember what it was called. I think it was called Creating a Quest. It's like probably like the last hour, but I can show you quickly now. It's pretty simple. So it's in a sprite. It's called pixellab.ai. And so if I go, if I create new and I do 150, 150, what do you want me to draw? What you tell me, what kind of pixel thing would you want me to make? I'm not making it, obviously the AI is making it, but, you know, what? So is Quest Chicken on? Boom. Farmer's Daughter, maybe. So what else? Something maybe not farmer related, something different. Okay, everyone wants Farmer's Daughter. Let's go. What color clothes? Is she wearing clothes? No, let's say she has to wear clothes. She definitely has to wear clothes. Okay, a frog. I don't know what a frog will look like. This... Wait. Who's that Pokemon? Right, so that's me drawing a frog. Let's go up. Okay, let's generate the frog. Hopefully this turns out well. I've hyped this up a lot. If it turns out to be a good frog, that's good, because I can just add it in. Free assets at this point. It's struggling. Or is it? Any second now. Usually it's a little bit quicker than this. The fact that we're trying to generate a frog just made it blow its mind. It's like, ugh. These goddamn humans and their bullshit requests. Okay, it's doing it. It's just very slowly. I mean, that's a frog. A little bit too green though. let's do. So some of the things you can do. Right. So what else? So do you want the frog to have? Let's do. So we can do in paint, right? Oh god. Not that. Let's do. So if I do this. And then we go to in paint, and I go this. A frog's smiling face. Colors. Try that. What you can do is you can isolate a small part of the image and then generate more. So right now I gave it a white thing just to like, you know, show that it's different. And oh, it's turned it into a smiling face. Hopefully, maybe. Maybe I didn't do it too well though, but a little bit slow. Okay, so that's like kind of okay. But let's do. Oh, let's just Control C a little bit. Bit more. Okay. Right, so let's go on here. We can do smiling face, and then we can give it like a crown. Then let's do back. I'm impressed that it just spat that out. So am I. This is where we got the farmer from. Oh. Uh-oh. What did I just move? I just moved the chicken. This is how we got the farmer. We literally did the farmer with this. So if I do this in painting now. Boom. Yeah. Smiling frog prince with brown. Like that. I mean, damn. I mean, that's... What you can do as well, you could retry, and I think it will just try it again. And it will just try a different... You keep trying it over and over again, it'll do different variations each time, maybe. It looks a little bit like Ninja Turtles. Oh my god. That's... Oh my god. Try? It's crazy, isn't it? I don't know how big the sprite is. The sprite might be a bit big, but oh my god, that's looking creepy as fuck. This is not a frog prince. Oh, maybe. I think okay, so we've got that. Got that. That's what I started with. Then we've got that. I think that one's the best one. I wonder if we could do... So right, how do I make a copy? New frame. Okay, and then if I go to on this, I wonder if I could give it like a scepter. This might be a bit hard to draw. But if I go, one thing as well is he's got. Why has he got like 6 arms? What about if I do this? I do like this, and then or like that. So, in painting, there. And if I in paint, I add. Frog holding a scepter. This might not work. Some things it's really good at, some things it's not very good at. But if it manages to do this, I think I'll be pretty goddamn impressed. You have to tweak it quite a lot and stuff, but Fire meat scepter. The crazy thing is, Kamikaze, knowing I don't know if you've played with stable diffusion. Oh my god. I mean it looks, oh my god, it's going wacko mode. Oh my god, it's going wacko mode. I don't know if you've played with stable diffusion, Kamikaze, but you can get it to do anything. Oh my god, what is wrong with him? I love it. Oh my god, look at that. Let's try again. That's crazy. I'm can't say that. I'm not going to make any assumptions, Kamikaze. I'm sure you're innocent. Is the AI American based or UK? Because might need to be Scepter. I don't know about the model. I think probably either's okay. But I know the people who do it are from. I tried to get it make a farting out of fart. Okay. Oh, we all have our hobbies. Right, so that's okay. That's going crazy. I think that's actually okay. Right, let's just see. So we've got that. Let's delete that and that. So we need to delete. We need to delete this now, right? That's just crazy. Oh, that could be our frog. Check out Unstable Diffusion Discord. Wow. Yo, Kevin, you okay, bro? I have to head out. Got class. I'll stay in the muted. Oh, nice, Adam. Okay, enjoy your class. Hopefully you do well. Fine, but it won't let me put those things in, lol. Yeah, I'm 5, but once I had the thought, curiosity got the better of me. That's crazy, because I saw, I don't know, did you download the model and stuff yourself, though? Because my friend has downloaded Stable Diffusion and got the models, and he's generated, you know, not a lot worse things than that. Right. I'm kind of happy with that. Let's maybe try to... It's gonna fuck it up. Oh my god. We can save that. There was someone who made a movie preview, and it kind of looked like Tom Hardy in the trailer, so I dubbed him Tom Hardley. Oh, nice. Frog. Ace. Right. Kevin Seguin. Yeah, man, been watching a few past pre-recorded. It's been good times. Oh, nice, dude. That's awesome. Thank you very much. Also learning Godot at the same time. That's cool. What kind of thing are you working on? Right. So that's a frog. We can whack the frog in quickly if you want. Any other requests for some crazy AI assets that we can whack in? We'll do animals, create new folder. Frog. It resembled Tom Hardy, but had this weird, slightly face-changing thing that happens in dreams. Oh, kind of like the weird morphing kind of thing. Is there going to be a sword in this game? Yeah, there should be at some point. You'd hope there'd be a sword, wouldn't you? If I do character body. I want to do 2-player Vampire Survivors, 1-player standard, with someone else controlling the waves, hordes, and their own power-ups. Oh, okay, that's cool. It's always cool to hear, like, everybody's got so many different ideas. Like, Kamikaze has, like, $500 million game ideas. And it's always really good to hear people's, Oh, do you want to know another cool thing? What you can do? So if I open Frog, Kevin, if you've not seen this, this is the AI pixel art AI thing for Sprite. What you can do is you can animate as well. So if I do animation, maybe this might not work. Set reference image. It needs to be. Oh, it needs to be 64. Okay. 64. 64. Oof. Sprite size. Let's do 130. Am I gonna break it? Yeah, where it still kind of looks like them, but not. It's really hard to put them into words, but AI is really good at it. No, I know what you mean. Yeah, it's interesting. It's basically the best idea for a game ever. Humble brag. The game idea was so good that I may have forgotten it. Kamikaze. I think just the actual, like, just the complete overwhelmingness of, damn, this really is $1 million idea game, that I've completely forgot what it was. 64 by 64. Cool. So we've got our frog. Let's try and animate this guy. So if we do frog, we do idle. What is this? Attempt to set a nil value. What does that mean? Let's try to set. Let's see if we can animate it as well. The animations is not very good, but it does kind of work. Yeah, this is cool. I've never heard of Sprite either, though. Okay, so Sprite is probably like the go-to pixel art thing. You don't have to pay for it, but it is something you pay for. But you do have Libra Sprite, which is a free version. It's actually based off Sprite is based off Libra Sprite. So if you want something free for like pixel art to mess around with, check out Libra Sprite. If you want to pay, oh, let's just check out the animation. Oh my god. So let's delete this. Delete frame. Okay, that's we can delete that. Oh my god. So that's the animation. That's the idle animation. What do you reckon? And it's got these flashes around it, which is a little bit weird. I actually helped out another indie dev on stream with some ideas. I got to play the finished product. Oh wow, okay. Game called Morning Widow. Damn, okay, so you're like the you're the hidden power behind all indie dev streamers. You're the brains behind the whole YouTube scene. Cursed Frog. I kind of like the Cursed. What do you guys think about this animation? I think like I kind of like it. The whatever they are, the tingly things, kind of weird. I'll try it. Let's retry it one more time. I basically made the game. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, nice. We got that now. We got Frog. We got Idol. Guidance way. Let's do like that maybe. Well, no, I just gave him some ideas for puzzles. Oh, that's you don't understand how helpful that is though, Kamikaze, because it's even just you know, like the whole quest that I've made, like with the chickens and stuff. All the ideas behind that, like the dialogue, the name of the NPC, just everything that's kind of creative has just been people telling me what to do. And it's just like, I'm not very good at that part. I'm good at coding and being like a code monkey, but the actual kind of like writing dialogue and having something interested in something that Adam, you know exactly what's going on. Yeah, I know. Time's ticking. Okay, that's freaking... Oh. Oh my god, look at that for an animation. Yeah, that kind of works. Although it keeps putting random particles. I couldn't draw pixel art, so included animation is a no-brainer. This is what I'm saying. It's so helpful. A huge point and a good convention in this game is that style. Yeah, I love, I don't know if you ever played like the Monkey Island games. They were such a big, I love the Monkey Island games so much. I'd love to add something very similar to that into this, where like certain items can unlock certain things, and you have to kind of like figure out, oh, if I use this item on this, it will unlock it, and you know, stuff like that. You close out Godot so it doesn't track A-Spray time. Yeah, I'm trying not to get too worried about that, but no, that's definitely something that's on my mind. Okay, let me just try the animation one more time. I think I kind of like that though. Good XP waste, joking, Ruffle. I know you are joking, but no, you're definitely right. So wait, is Godot set up to earn XP the more you use it, gamify the game engine, gameception? Kind of. So what Adam's referring to is, you know, I'm doing like the YouTube thing with 200 hours in Godot, right? And so the next video is going to be this weekend at 50 hours. God, why is this website so goddamn slow? So the next video is 50 hours. I'm on 48 hours and 3 minutes. And so every time Godot is open, this is tracking how long I've spent. So if I'm fucking around making animations with Godot open, it's going to count that as part of the 50-hour challenge, which is kind of okay. But it is, you know, I've got a quest to make. But yeah, that's the frog. If I stop this, and if I export this as a sprite sheet, export a sprite sheet. So this is Kevin. This is also a cool thing that you can do with a sprite. It just makes it really helpful to export things as a sprite sheet. Export. Right. So we've got frog. Let's add animated sprite. We need to also add a collision. Yeah, Kevin, if you are looking at making anything with like pixel art, get either Libra sprite or a sprite. it's really, really helpful. It will scrub your speed run. Not really, but it messes up the time average. Yeah, essentially, it would just mean that I have less time coding, really, but it's all still working on the game, so I guess it's one of those things, isn't it, where it's like having a little diversion to make a frog. It's kind of cool. So if I've added an animated sprite 2D to this frog, and then if I go to where I just saved that sprite sheet, or you click this button here, add frames from sprite sheet, and then I find it, frog. So horizontal is 4, vertical is 1. It's very green, so I don't know if this is add the 4 frames. Then we can do this, boom, boom. So this is what he looks like now. It's kind of crazy, isn't it? That's crazy considering I can't draw. And then now we have the frog. We can drag the frog onto the map somewhere. So that'll be quite cool if I do. I don't know how he's gonna look. In save all scenes. Ordering. Where's the frog? Oh my god, he's huge. He's huge. And then if I make sure that the frog is auto playing. Main boss confirmed. Yeah, the frog's actually me embodied in the game. He is the creator. He is the destroyer. Or maybe we could call him Kamikaze. Maybe the frog could be called Kamikaze. The creator, the destroyer. The problem is the colours are a little bit... The colours are a little bit... not too good. I don't even know where to put the frog, actually. We might be able to change the colours somewhere. Just his green. His green is a little bit too light. Other than that, I think he's okay. Put him here, maybe. This would be quite cool. Let's have a look. Let's have a look what he's like. Yeah, he's a little bit too neon. Everything's a little bit... I don't know how you describe the colours here, but they're very... not too offensive. Oh my god. Frog is... the frog huge. Oh my god. Yeah, the colours are very muted. They're not very sharp or, you know, attacky. They're very not pastel-y, but something like that. Okay, when he's big, he looks kind of cool. But I think if I changed maybe just this shade of green, that would be good. I just made that shade of green a touch darker. It's one cool thing as well. If I open this, right? So I think there's a way to do like Control R. There's a way to replace the colors. Replace color. If I do from this to that maybe. Okay. Maybe let's This color to like that maybe. Okay. This color. Up. It was. That's just the same color. If I go to Mystic Woods. Oh, if I load palette. Woods palette. Okay, so this is the color palette now. This is the color palette that we want. So if I do replace color, I do this and I pick like that's human. Good. Could be a better way of doing. Oh shit. Could be a better way of doing this. Right. Do the same thing. We can do that. That. That changes it a little bit. It's maybe not perfect, but that. Hopefully this is not the same color as the grass. If this is the same color as the grass, it's gonna be a bit awkward. Again, hopefully there's a better way of doing this. Hopefully this is not the same color as the grass. The good thing is, how it's all set up, if I save this now, if I export this as a sprite sheet off screen, it should automatically change it. Maybe I have to. Maybe I have to start. Okay. Oh, damn. Okay. That kind of fits a bit more. I just fired you're welcome. Thank you, Kamikaze. Hey, you gotta respect all contribution. We respect all contributions on the stream. Okay, there's one frame where it's a little bit more green than others. This one. This. Right, that should be one. Having a little bit of green is okay. That be. There is a lot going on in these frames. It's not too, once it's in the game, it's not too bad because the the frame rate is so low. It does it like very slowly, so I think it's not too bad. But export as sprite sheet. Let's save that as well. See, if when the frame rate's a little bit low, it's not too bad. That should change a little bit, so it should be a little bit less offensive. I mean, that kind of works in a weird way, doesn't it? It's crazy. Very an interesting scene. Book, I am the book. The Kamikaze, without your brilliant ideas, this... Oh, you can't even see... Damn, you can't even see what it says. Hey, shit. You should be able to see that now. Without your brilliant ideas, Kamikaze, this is what I come up with. And it's a book that says, I am the book. Which I kind of like. The AI made all those sparkles. Yeah, I kind of like the sparkles though, because it works with his mouth a little bit. It makes him look as if he's like, oh no, what do you think? I think it looks quite cool. I am the book. Right. Okay. So that's a sprite. That's the AI. We've done a cheeky little frog. Let's see if we can catch this goddamn chicken now. So, I believe everything's correct. We can start the quest. So, we're in Tornation, our damn chickens. Have you seen them? When I'll be, there's 3 of them scattered around these here parts. We started the quest. We have to get the chickens now. And this one should be a goddamn quest chicken. If I can. I should be able to interact with him. Oh, you motherfucker. Come back. I should be able to interact with him if I get him in the right spot. Don't you dare run away. Okay. Clearly not. If I get this chicken in the right spot, I should be able to catch him. Collectible.collect. And then collect. If it's not a quest chicken, false. Otherwise, we Q3, which is just gonna it's just gonna delete the chicken essentially. So try that again. I should make these chickens easier to collect. Right. God damn it. I'm going to make chicken easier to collect. Chicken 1. Speed is 1. And then we go into the chicken lasso. Yeah, I need to implement a chicken lasso. I guess it's a good thing that the chicken's hard to collect. So this is a quest chicken. Cool. It's floating. That's good. That's what we want. That's the chicken. Where's this chicken? This one. Mid game so hard, even the dev can't beat it. It reminds me of the Chuck Norris joke. Yeah, I think that's what you want, isn't it? You want the bar to be that I find it. Not necessarily difficult, but okay, yeah. So let's see what we've got. So when we select, we want to go into the collect area, collect area is this one. The collect area is black area. But if collectible is quest chicken, we do collectible.collect. So if we loop through all the overlapping bodies for the collectible. If the collectible is a quest chicken, and quest chicken is this, the chicken, you'd be surprised to learn, we do collectible.collect. So if the collectible is quest chicken, we do quest chicken.collect. And we should Q3. This should be working. Chuck Norris made a rock so heavy that even he couldn't lift it. But he lifted it anyway, just to show you who the F Chuck Norris is. It's been a long time since I heard a Chuck Norris joke. Okay. Cool. So we can collect chickens, and we can't collect these chickens. Excellent. But we should be able to collect... Should be able to collect this chicken. Yes. And then... collect that chicken. Nice. Cool. So we got some chickens to collect. We return a ball just to say we can collect this. Games are basically just intricate if statements. If-then statements. I said it. Finally, someone did say it. But you're really not that wrong, to be honest, Kamikaze. It's just a lot of different state everywhere, and a lot of different if statements, and you know that it really does come down to it being that simple. It's just a lot of if statements, a lot of different data, a lot of different if this, do that. So if collectible.collect. So here I have to check because not all chickens are collectible. So I have to do if collectible.collect, which means we can collect it. We do inventory, because I'm in the player right now. Inventory dot insert, and I need to make a chicken item now. We do that. Just for now. Insert chicken into inventory. Basically we get the collectible and we insert it into our inventory. But to do that, we need to create the goddamn chicken in the inventory. So here we have collectible. We have inventory here. We have a carrot. We have an egg. We have a sword. Create a new resource, which is inventory item. Other than the physics and graphics, that's pretty much the basics. Yeah, essentially, it depends on what game you're making, to be honest. Let's call it quest. It depends on what game you're making. Like an RPG is probably, this sort of game is probably the worst game you could make, because there's so much like dialogue, items, it's open world, there's so much things going on. If you make like a Vampire Survivors, or if you just make like a simple shooty game, it's really not that difficult. So for example, I think I have an example here of, let's see, if I go into jet ship, this is like a mini, this is when I was just playing around. When I first started Godot, I was just playing around, and I made this. And this could be a game where like the background just goes down. That's easy enough to do. The spaceship just follows the cursor, and then if you click, it should. It's like this could be a game. You just need to maybe add some more enemies and, you know, add in like a bit more than that. But it doesn't have to be too complicated. You make something pretty simple, and generally a lot of the best games are really, really simple things. I probably made a mistake making an RPG, but you know, you like what you like, don't you? Okay. So do I even need this? I don't think I need this. I see an inventory item. Right. Quest chicken. Quest. Done. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, give it a thumbs up, please, because you know, I need every thumbs up I can get at this point. So the chicken is untradeable. I think we should have something. Say it's a quest item. Oh, we have untradeable, and we have a texture. I need to find a chicken texture now. Maybe. Pain in the ass. Ugh. Right. There's only one thing we could do for a chicken texture. We need to draw it. Chicken. Resources. Let's see how good the AI can be at making this chicken. Assets, entities, animals, chicken. Right. Right, so this is my chicken. Chicken head. One of the cool things is you can limit the colors to a color palette. 32 by 32, 32 by 32. Chicken head. Let's do it like that. Come on. Goes to color palettes. Let's do chicken. Let's see if this can do a chicken head for me. Come on. That's not a chicken head. That's just a goddamn chicken. Right. We need to. I think we need to draw it a chicken head. It's clearly incapable of doing this. Maybe like that. We could do like a that. Back. Chicken head. Icon. Like that. Let's try that. If this can make a nice icon for me, I'll be pretty goddamn impressed by this. If anyone's wondering what's going on right now, that's not quite a chicken head. If anyone's wondering what's going on right now, we are using a pixel AI to generate. Using a pixel AI thing to generate a chicken head. Okay, that's definitely a chicken head. Like that. Color palette. Like that. Using pixellab.ai to generate a chicken head. I don't think that's a chicken head. Try it again. It's kind of insane. It is kind of insane. This is not working very well right now, though, is it? This is the first time, apart from Stable Diffusion, this is the first time that I've saw AI, and I'm like, wow, this is not just some bullshit that people talk about. What are you making now? A fire chicken? No, essentially, I'm making a an icon. I'm trying to make like an inventory icon for my chicken. But it seems to be struggling a little bit. I want it to make a chicken head icon like that. Okay, none of these are particularly good. Let's try put the image strength up a little bit more. Chicken head. Let's take out the icon thing on it. Also, if anyone's interested in making games and stuff, you can join us in the Discord. You're all welcome. What the hell is this? Well, that is clearly not a... What the hell? God, it's really struggling with this chicken head. Discord. I know you're joking, Kamikaze. You're trying to wind me up. You're trying to pull my leg. You're having me on, innit? You're having me on, ain't you, mate? Oh, the AI was so good at generating the frog. It is really struggling with this chicken. What the hell is that? What the fuck? This is not... Chemicals used, no. Chicken head, generate. Yo, Jay Gary. Yeah, this is pixellab.ai. We just made... this. This was all made with pixellab.ai. Dude, that made me think of the show Idiot Abroad. Nice. And about how Carmen Shade doesn't think in his accent. Oh, nice, dude. Idiot Abroad. I love Idiot Abroad. Yeah, Jay Gary, like, literally, Kamikaze can attest to this. Kevin can attest to this. We literally, you can go back and probably watch us make this. We made this and animated this with pixellab.ai. I made a farmer. I don't know if okay, I have the farm in the game. Oh, whoa. Okay, that is not quite a chicken. Look, if I do 100 times 100, right, let's just do this. We could do like right, if I do this, I go a mage. If I give it this, I've literally drawn this, and I just type in a mage. I use no generate. Well, looks like I'm going to add pixel lab to my tool list now. Yeah, it's awesome. One thing is that I think Steam is weird if you use pixel art assets. You can't put, like, you might have trouble putting your game on Steam. Okay, that's one mage. Let's try it again. Like when he has an inner dialogue with himself, he's admittedly said, I think, isn't it, instead of in it. Okay, that's not a good example. Let's try again. Right, that's a pretty piss poor mage. Let me. I think I made. Oh shit. We'll keep that because that's quite cool. Let me change the his dimensions a little bit because I think I made him a little bit too fat. Oh. Useless mage. I like that. Oh. Right. Let's give him a little red hat as well. Or he's a bit too big to have a hat. Can you use a generated image as the foundation of another image? Yes, you can actually do better than that. So I'll show you 1 second. So here I've got the initial image strength. And the higher that you set this, the more it will try and make it like this. So if you want it kind of crazy, put it a bit low, like that maybe. And then once it's generated, I'll show you like some of the stuff you can do with it. Okay, that's that's not it takes a little bit of playing around with. You got to keep okay, so he's got no face, right? So what about if I did like this? What about if I did that, right? And then, if I go to in paint means it will target only a specific area, sorry. So if I do this, I could target his face, and I can say, a man's face. And now, it will do the AI only on this selection. Hopefully. Okay, well that's not quite. This might be generating it now based on... This is still quite impressive. Oh, okay. Okay, so that kind of works, right? So now you say, okay, cool, so let's delete that layer. You think, okay, but now his clothes look a bit shit. Let's flat visible. You say, his clothes look a bit shit. Let's do like, oh, shit. Boom, boom, in paints, a mage's robe, and then if I boom, and maybe put that up a little bit more. If I do that. But make the robe look less shit. I think that might actually work. If you say stuff like that, that does work. Let's see if this works. I tried to add some cool stuff onto it, but... Oh, see what I mean? Look. Look at that. Right, and now he doesn't have a hand, okay? So he doesn't have a hand... on his left hand. If I draw like that, and then like that. Okay, let's do in painting. A hand holding an orb. Limit colors used, no. It's got no feet as well. Let's see if it manages to do the hand holding an orb correctly. Look at that. Yeah, he's a mage. No feet required. In fact, we don't want the feet. Visible. Oh no, he's got a shadow as well. But yeah, that's crazy. So this is what I mean. If I go into I mean, that's kind of cool. It's not the best thing, but this is how you have to do the AI. Is you have to give it something, kind of find something that you like, and then slowly modify bits and pieces of it until you get the result that you want. Like I said, we also okay. Can it make him do an attack animation? I've not tried attack, so. You could do animations. This was, I gave it the prompt idle, right? So this is the frog idling. You can do attack, but let's see what it does. Open plugin, so if you do animation, a mage, and then we do a fireball attack. I've not tried this, so we'll see how this goes. Yeah, so we use this as a reference. I don't think we want to limit colors. Let's see what this does. Oh, we have to change the canvas. Okay, this might ruin it. One problem with this AI is that each... Oh my god. Oh, sorry, I just hit the microphone. The problem with this AI is a mage holding an orb. Problem with the AI is everything requires different canvas sizes. So you'll generate the image, that's 100 by 100. And then when you want to animate it, you have to make it 64 by 64. You're like, okay. There's ways to work around that, but let's see if this can fix itself. Okay, it's not as good anymore because it's a little bit lower resolution. If I go animation, we do a mage, fireball, attack, limit colors, no. Let's see if let's see what it does. I've not tried this. I've tried idle, but I've not tried fireball attack. So we'll see. Okay, what the hell is that? Wait. Some of these are... This is what I started with, so we delete that. That's also what I started with. Right. Okay. Back. Oh, I've not got to this point before. A mage... Fireball. A mage casting fireball. Let's see if we can... do this a little bit better. So I think with animation, oh no, this is I guess what you could do here is you could go like that, copy, do that, copy. See, that's not too bad. His face is a bit dodgy. Right. So we got that. That's just broken. I mean, that kind of works. That's crazy. It's not perfect, but one of the things that you can do is you just go through each animation and be like, oh, okay, like his. You might even be able to regenerate everything. If I go to animation, you can use inner images, yes, and then you can regenerate based off what is already generated. So a mage fireball attack. I've not tried this. This is all new for me right now. Yes, you can tell it how many frames. So number of frames / start frame. I could say like 8 or 10. But let's keep it like that now. Let's see if oh god, where's it gone? Let's keep it like that. I've not tried this using images. I'm hoping that this makes them more consistent, but let's see. It's crazy, isn't it? This, along with stable diffusion, has just absolutely blown my mind. Attempt to call a number value. Okay, that done some. Can't tell. Oh, so I think that's. Sorry, done much. I don't know what that's done. I mean, yeah, you say it's not going to win any awards, but neither's my art. So that's crazy. Look at that. Like, we can now just save this or export this. Export a sprite sheet. Output file. Let's call it mage.pung. Should assets, NPCs, create new mage. That's what I mean, Jay Gary. It's kind of fun. Like, it's kind of the things you could do with it is so impressive. Character. Right, let's add a collision. We have to add a collision shape to everything. Oop. Then let's add a animated sprite. I'm making the next Stardew Valley. Oh, nice. Okay, how far along are you with that? How are you finding it all? So let's add an animated sprite. I don't know if this mage is going to fit with the game. One problem with the AI is that it has its own kind of art style. So you do have to play around with it a little bit. It's not perfect, but what's that? I've got 4. I've got 5 frames. I mean, it's really not that bad. Oh, okay, yeah. I mean, I now have access to pixel art. You should see what people have made with it. It's so cool. It's definitely helping me. Save scene. Especially when all you have is like free game assets, being able to just generate like a mage. He's probably a little bit out of place, but have a look what he's like in the game. So also Gary, this farmer, he was all made in Pixel Lab. He was made using the AI. The animation was made using the AI. And he actually fits in super well. He fits in. This is what someone drew. Fortunately, like the AI is just kind of been better. Then I also have the frog here. This was AI. And then let's go see the mage. I think the mage isn't going to fit in very well. But he's a mage that was free. That casts fireball, so I mean, and he's also like he's also like 10 foot. Yeah, the frog definitely fits. The initial problem when I made the frog was that he was like a neon green. It's just so I had to go through and kind of edit in the colors to make the colors fit with. I think like that green may even be like the same green as the grass. But yeah, the frog definitely fits. Local games, yo, are you okay? Are you using the AI just as placeholders to develop faster, or are you using them more often in other projects? Right now, they're essentially placeholders, I guess. I think ideally, I would want all art to be created properly and have like a theme throughout and kind of created like with an idea in mind. But for me, I can't do pixel art, especially like this frog. But like it does a good job and it's quite quick as well. Like literally, we did all this on stream, so it was pretty funky. Like next up, I need to make some benches. I'll make some benches. I think I made. You see all these trees here. I actually ran some trees through it as well. Those all. Like all the I made all these variations of trees. I passed in this tree that's the same as here essentially, and all these tree variations are made out of AI. So suddenly, this free pack where I've got 2 different types of trees, I now have like 7 or 8 types of trees. They all fit in, and they all work. Right. Let's see how long I am at. Okay, I'm at 48 and 50 minutes. Right. Almost at 50 hour mark. Yeah. I'm going to head off now, guys. I'm going to drop the... If anybody wants to join the Discord and talk about games and all that good stuff, or art, or share, whatever you want to do, join Discord. If you give it a thumbs up and stuff, I'd really appreciate that. But regardless, thanks everybody for watching. It's been very fun. And I'll be on live tomorrow, probably a little bit. If not, there'll be a video on the weekend. But yeah, look after yourself, guys, and don't do anything that I wouldn't do. So I'll see you later. Love you lots.